Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. First of all, guys, happy new year. Happy new year. May this year be filled with lots of laughter and happiness and all the good things that you have been praying for. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you very good whitening serums you should look out for in the year 2022. These serums are very effective. They help you to lighten your skin. They help you to whiten your skin if that is your goal, especially if you have very stubborn skin and skin products don't usually work for you. I'm going to be sharing with you these serums and you can take them to the bank. Okay, here we go. So the very first serum on my list is glutathione or glutathione serums. Yeah, this particular glutathione is actually a very effective serum. I'm going to leave a picture of it on the screen so you guys can see the particular one I'm talking about. Most glutathione serums are actually very effective, just that I would not advise you to use it on its own. You should not put it on your skin. I told you the drama I had with this other serum I used directly on my skin that spoiled my knuckles. Yeah, so glutathione is a very good serum. All you have to do is take like 4 tablespoons of this serum and half of your cream. Do not mix the entire bottle at a go. Like you buy a new cream and let's say the cream is 250 ml or 400 ml or 500 ml. Don't just put serum in the whole bottle and mix together. You should not do that. One, what if the serum does not work for you? The serum is good, it works for me, it works for you, it works for Kemi, it works for Tolu. Doesn't mean it will work for you. So if you buy your whole cream and pour the serum in the whole cream, what happens when the cream if the serum doesn't work for you? You have to throw it away. You have to throw your entire cream away. No, it's not even. Or let's say the cream is now like changing color. That means your whole bottle will change color. It shouldn't be like that. So just mix half of your bottle with like 2 or 3 or 4, depending on how fast you want it to work. But let's say 4 tablespoons of the glutathione serum. Mix it with half of your cream and use it. Just make sure you exfoliate well, and then you will see. You will see that I said it. Okay, you said I said it. That is it for glutathione. The second serum you should really look out for in 2022 is White Now Serum, the one that is called Heal White Now Serum. That serum, guys, I've not used this by myself. In all honesty, I've not used that particular serum by myself, but I've heard reviews. I have heard good things about that particular serum. You really do want to check it out, okay? It does what it says it does. It does what it says it does. It's really very good. It whitens the skin perfectly fine, as long as you don't use it directly on your skin. As long as you mix it with a cream and then you use it on your body. That's basically it. And then the third serum you should add, I can recommend you to add to your cream, is 24-hour serum. That's a particular serum. If you go down on my channel, you will see where I made a video on how to mix your Cottage Fresh Alata Samina soap. That was the serum I used in that video. The serum is very nice, very gentle on the skin. 24-hour serum is very gentle on the skin, and it is very nice. So something happened. I bought a cream recently, this Britain. I've not reviewed it. Because I'm still looking at it. I bought that cream and I noticed it wasn't really doing what it claimed. I like the fact that it was just toning me gently, right? No dark knuckles, no stretch mark, no green veins, nothing. But it wasn't giving me what I wanted, the white effect I wanted. It wasn't giving me. And the only serum I had at home was that 42 hours serum. I just took it and then added it to the cream. In fact, I'm almost done with the cream, and then I just added the serum to it, and the work picked. Like it picked up. So it's really, I really recommend it. White Now Serum is very good. Just know that if you add any serum at all to your cream, please make sure you add anti-reaction products. You can add anti-stretch mark, you can add Shenik, crude kanako. Just add a little bit so that you won't have reactions. If you are adding any serum to your lotion or your cream, please make sure you add anti-reaction, just in case the serum can give you stretch mark or any reaction, so the anti-reaction product can counter it. Are you following? The next serum I'm going to be talking about is Citroclear Serum. Citroclear Serum is also very good. It's also very, very good. But in fact, it is very good. Just my advice is that you should not use it too much. Okay, so let's say, let me teach you how I premix my own body creams, right? Say my cream is 400 ml. I take a clean bowl, a very clean bowl, and put half of it into the bowl. That's 200 ml, right? And then I take, let's say, 4 tablespoons of Citroclear and let's say 2 tablespoons of 24 hours. Mix it together in the bowl. Mix it together very well in the bowl and turn it into another container, a clean container. Okay, so it is that one that I pre-mixed that I'll be using. The other half I'll keep it. Do you understand? The other half I'll keep it, and then when I'm done using that one, then I can now continue. I can now, mix that other one. But in case anything goes wrong with that one, let's say this thing was too much, or if it was too small, or if it changed color, I know that I can, I can fall back on the other half of it. That's why I basically said do not premix all your body cream or all of your everything together. So for the Citroclear serum, it is actually very, very effective, and I would advise you that don't use more than 2 tablespoons to premix half of your cream. Don't use more than 2. It's going to be too much. It's going to whiten you. It is that effective. So if you use too much, it will be too much for you. And for somebody like me that I'm not trying to be white, okay, I'm not trying to be white as in I should now look like half caste. No, I'm not trying to be that. I'm just trying to maintain this complexion that I've gotten, and to achieve a white undertone. There's a difference. I don't want to be white, but I want my undertone to be white. Some people like their undertone to be yellow, right? And some people like the undertone to be like olive. I want my own undertone to be white, but my complexion is just fine like this. But if I wanted to, whiten, this serum, this Citroclear serum is what I would use. Like, I would really, really add a whole lot of it to my body cream. It works. And if you add your anti-reaction cream to it, your Shenic or your crude Kenacol, your Beleclat Kenacol, your Skin Doctor ampoules, stretch mark ampoules, if you add those ones, you are good to go. It won't give you any stretch mark or any unpleasant. And then, the last but the biggest, okay, the last but the hugest on this my list is skin-free milk. You guys, skin-free milk is the ultimate serum. If you don't buy any of these serums that I mentioned, but you need a serum, just buy skin-free milk. Okay, buy skin-free milk and get your body cream, divide it into 2, add 4 tablespoons of skin-free milk into your lotion. If you add another serum, if you have another serum you want to add, you can add maybe 3 tablespoons of skin-free milk and maybe 2 tablespoons of that other one. Mix it together, turn it into a clean container, exfoliate your skin well, and use it. After a month, come and tell me what you think. I'm not even joking. After a month, come and tell me what you think. I am that sure of that particular cream. In fact, you can even add it to your soap. If you want to premix your black soap and you need a good whitening serum to add to it, get skin-free milk. If you are trying to lighten, if you don't want to like have several shades, maybe you just want to lighten a bit, lighten up your caramel skin tone, I can even say that mix skin-free milk with your black soap. You will see. You will see. Oh, you will see. It works wonders. It gives like it looks like milk. It gives your skin a milkish finish. If I add skin-free milk at home when I use that 42 hours mixture, I would go for skin-free milk. So I know one of you will still come and ask me that, for that. So out of all these now, which is your favorite? My favorite is skin-free milk. Okay. So when I'm done with my cream now, I'm buying it again because I like it. That particular Britain. If you watch my skincare haul, there's one particular Britain lotion there. That's what I use right now. I like it because it doesn't give me stretch mark. If I don't buy it, if I'm not able to get it, I'll go back to my Easy Glow. You already know. And for my Easy Glow, I sincerely don't need to add any serum. Easy Glow works just fine. But if I eventually buy this Britain lotion, then I will add my skin-free milk. I will divide my cream into 2, add like 4 tablespoons of skin free milk into one part, use it, and when I'm done with that part, mix another one with 4 tablespoons of skin free milk. And that is all about the my own top skincare serums, whitening serums for the new year. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me. I'm here because of you. And there's good news, guys. We just got to a big milestone on this channel. I'm not going to tell you guys the number yet, but just wait until we get monetized, okay? We're getting there. We're getting closer to monetization. Just wait until we get monetized, and then we'll announce everything, and then we'll do a massive giveaway. And yeah, so this is just me saying thank you very much for watching this video, for supporting this channel. Do not forget to click the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? You don't like my vibe? Is that what you're saying? You don't like my vibe? Really? You are already lying. You're lying. Just click the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime forever and ever. Okay? And if in case you're not in Nigeria, all of these serums I mentioned, you can get them on Amazon or eBay. If you are in Nigeria, you can get them anywhere they sell skincare products, anywhere they sell serums, and just normal skincare products. Anywhere they sell skincare products, you can get these products there. But if you're not in Nigeria, I think you should check eBay or Amazon. And yeah, that's all for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.